Welcome to the first episode of Swing and Bang. I have Vishwesh here with me, who likes to swing and bang as well.
Yes. And we are not a secret sex club from Korea or China,
Hong Kong.
wherever it is.
From Hong
Hong
Kong.
Kong. Yeah, from Hong Kong. So
Yeah.
if you Google us, don't be worried.
So we are going to talk about what UFC 261, Usman Masvidal, which is going to take place tomorrow morning Indian time, I believe. And
30 a.m.,
we're going to cover
7
the
a.m.
main card. 7:30 a.m. it starts in India. What time does it start in the US? I think it's at night.
Yeah, maybe 9.5 hours behind.
Okay, so all you Indian fans out there, we are giving you a pre-show into what you can expect for UFC 261. A pretty wonderful card here, starting with Anthony Smith and Jimmy Crute with the first fight of the main event. Appu, what do you think? Your views, your thoughts?
I want Jimmy Crute to win.
I think Smith
Anthony
will win.
Smith. मेरे को भी ऐसा लग रहा था. Win the experience. But ठीक है भाई, स्मिथ थोड़ा ढीला पड़ गया भाई लास्ट थोड़े टाइम से.
बट मेरे को ऐसा पता नहीं, ये फाइट तो मैं प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकता वैसे तो. Can't predict.
स्मिथ के लिए तो मेरे को लग रहा है अगला सैंटोस या रेस ही है भाई, अगर जीता तो. ये प्रोजास्का कौन है? जिरी प्रोजास्का.
जी प्रोजास्का, ये पोलिश है भाई, ये भी फुल स्ट्रीक में.
इसको देखा ही नहीं मैं फाइट.
अभी जी प्रोजास्का वर्सेस रेयस है.
क्या?
He's also 27-3. हाँ. नेक्स्ट फाइट नाइट इसके बाद, उस्मान मासविडाल के बाद ही है.
अभी एक ही फाइट लड़ा है आके यूएफसी में उस दिन में.
तो ऑलरेडी 27-3 है भाई.
ना वो एक्सपीरियंस.
बेलेटर फाइट की है. नहीं बेलेटर नहीं, रिजिन फाइट किया. रिजिन से आया है. रिजिन से.
समझा.
अबे उसका लास्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 16 KOs in 17 fights, in last 17 fights.
क्या वहाँ पे सब KO है.
2
3 4 5 6 7
आते ही
9
उसने
फाइट तो
Volcom
कंटिन्यूअस चालू है. हाँ भैया, उसका 9 फाइट चालू है डूड. 9 KO करके ही जीता है बेंचर. TKO पंचेस सिर्फ यही लिखा है. Rizin 11 13 20 Volkan Ozdemir.
CB Dollaway.
अरे Prochaska was expected to face former two-time light heavyweight champion Dominic Reyes on Feb 27, 2021 to serve as the event headliner. However, on late January, it was reported that Reyes was pulled from the fight, citing injury, and the bout was scheduled for May 1st at UFC on ESPN. ये क्या है बेंच और UFC on ESPN? क्या लग रहा है क्या चालू है?
ऐसा है, वो लोग का हर एक शो एक अलग जगह से प्रीमियर पे ये होता है. लाइक UFC on ABC. हाँ, UFC on ABC नेटवर्क में होता है. Magomed अंकल आए. Born June 2nd, 1992. WFC Light Heavyweight Championship. He is from Russia, Dagestan. क्या स्लो है यार, इतना स्लो है मेरा पीसी.
This is the guy to watch.
Yes. He lost via submission against Paul Craig. He's on a 6-fight win streak. बोला ना करके. Kutelaba को 2 बार. Kita Krylov.
UFC में उसका पहला फाइट हारा है वो, बस उसके बाद जीतते जा रहा है। कुटेलाबा 2 बार। क्रिलोव को भी हरा दिया अभी। क्रिलोव भी रैंक फाइटर है।
लव 9th रैंक है।
ये अभी 7th में है भाई अंकलेव। उसका अगला स्मिथ ही है फिर भाई। स्मिथ ये जीता तो शायद उसको दे देगा अंकलेव, क्योंकि अभी रेस अगर इसको लड़ रहा है।
स्मिथ रोजा का रेस है। रैकिच वर्सेस अलेक्जेंडर रैकिच किसके साथ है? ही जस्ट बीट, आई थिंक ही जस्ट बीट रेस और समबडी ही बीट।
राकिच ने तो एंथनी स्मिथ को भी हराया
He
है।
beat Thiago Santos. He beat Thiago Santos. राकिच ने थियागो सैंटोस को हराया।
अबे
Thiago
राकिच
Santos lost
नेक्स्ट
before
एक्चुअली विल फाइट द विनर ऑफ
for the
टेक्सेरा
title.
एंड ब्लैकोविच। हाँ, फॉर द टाइटल।
Yes.
मेरे को तो वही लग रहा है,
Yes.
टेक्सेरा
Yes.
ब्लैकोविच फाइट का विनर ही लड़ेगा राकिच।
Yes.
डोमिनिक रेस प्रोजास का, या ऐसा भी हो सकता है डोमिनिक रेस प्रोजास का विनर को भी लड़ सकता है। उसका और रेस का फाइट हुआ है क्या? राकिच और रेस का?
राकिच और रेस का नहीं हुआ।
नंबर 2 एंड नंबर 3 वही है अभी।
Thiago Santos lost against लोवर। लोवर से हारा और इससे भी हारा, रैकिच से भी हार गया। और जॉन जोन्स 3 फाइट लूजिंग स्ट्रीक में है। एंड ब्लाहोविच को हराने वाला एक ही बंदा है ये।
टेक्सेरा से हार गया,
UFC में
राकिच
आई
से
थिंक।
हार गया, जोन्स से हार गया। हाँ, ब्लैकोविच को हराया है 2019 में।
हाँ, नॉकआउट किया था उसको। हाँ।
क्या हो गया इसका भाई? जोन्स फाइट के बाद सैंटोस स्मिथ हो सकता है भाई। सैंटोस को अभी थोड़ा नीचे रैंक वाला ही देगा ब्रो, मेरे को तो ऐसे ही लग रहा है। अंकलेव
एंड ब्लाहोविच का लास्ट लॉस थियागो सैंटोस ही था। उसके बाद लूक रॉकहोल्ड, रोनाल्डो सूजा, कोरी एंडरसन,
अभी उसके
डोमिनिक
बाद वो
रेयस।
सिर्फ जीता है, उसके बाद कंटिन्यूस 1 पॉइंट। अबे तू उसका वो ये पढ़ के देख विकिपीडिया में। मैड है। स्टार्टिंग में फुल ऐसा हारा है, जीता है रैंडम, फिर भाई लास्ट 8-9 फाइट से तो माई छोड़ रहा है।
एक्चुअली
आडेसानिया को
कट होने
हरा
वाला
दिया
था, पता है
भाई।
क्या? वो 2-2 था। हाँ, he was 2-2 in the UFC. He was 1-2 in the UFC. कट होने वाला था। उसके बाद वो गस्टफ्सन से हारा, पैट्रिक कमिंस से हारा। वो ऐसा 1-2 and 4 था। 2 wins 4 losses था उसका फर्स्ट 6 फाइट्स।
वही तो मैं बोल रहा था, देखा मैं पूरा। उसके बाद वो सडनली
वैसे
भाई
कहाँ है?
मैड मोड में आ गया वो। डेविन क्लार्क के फाइट के बाद ही वो फुल सिर्फ जीता ही है ब्रो। डेविन क्लार्क, जैरेड कॉर्नियर, जिमी मनुआ, क्रिलोव, सैंटोस, रॉकहोल्ड, सूजा, कोरी एंडरसन, डोमिनिक रेस, और फिर अभी भाई एडेसानिया को हरा दिया ब्रो। मतलब प्राइम में हो भाई अभी।
1 million मिला उसको फाइट के लिए।
आ गया
The fights. We have 3 title fights in this card. One is the flyweight title, one is the strawweight title, which is a co-main event, and the main event here, the headliner, Kamaru Usman takes on Masvidal in the rematch. Masvidal thinks he's going to beat Kamaru with a full camp.
Yes.
So this fight can play out differently, but I see Usman winning. What do you think?
I believe this time Masvidal is ready for all the foot rubbing he's claiming. So let's see. But you don't know, man. I mean,
all the footsteps.
Gotta give it to Masvidal because first fight, 6 days notice, flying to a different country and then taking the fight and taking it to 5 rounds with Usman. That's, I mean, commendable, I would say. And kind of,
see, I think,
I mean, I believe Usman should win this fight, but you never know. That's what I feel about this fight.
See, I mean, Usman also took the fight on short notice. He was also training for somebody else.
True, true,
believe.
true. Yeah,
But
yeah.
this fight, the Masvidal has a full camp for this fight. Definitely, that is going to make a difference. I don't think it will be a different fight.
Yeah, I think at the end of this fight, there won't be any excuses anymore. I mean, from both sides.
Yes. That's what Dana has said. He wants to see this fight again. Give
Dana Mama
Masvidal the full camp.
wants Masvidal to win. He wants the moolah. That's clear.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course, he
Let's see.
wants the money. But he's right. From a business standpoint, I think Masvidal as a champ would bring more revenue to the company.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
but Usman, I don't see Usman losing anytime soon.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah,
Usman
I
is
think
just,
Colby will give him a tough fight. That was his toughest fight, I believe, against Colby Covington,
True.
because it was so close and it was equal going into the fifth. So I think that rematch should happen.
Should make sense. Yeah. Colby.
But yeah, the welterweight division is stacked already, and there are some contenders who might come up for him.
Yes. Kobe is watching the fight, I'm sure. He's posted who wins tonight at UFC 261 between Marty Fake Newsman and Street Judas Masvidal. He's watching.
Colby and his trash talk. Sometimes I find Colby's trash talk funny.
Funny.
It's actually funny. But yeah. Even although he's cringy, but one of the best in the world. And
yeah, dude. I mean, you can't take away
also
fight from him.
A new news that I heard today is Tyron Woodley has been released by the UFC. He is not in the welterweight rankings anymore. Yes.
Oh, fuck yeah.
He has been removed from the welterweight rankings.
Hey, bro, I can still see it. Number 10.
It was his last fight. No, he has been removed actually. This is today's news. Woodley has been cut from the roster. I don't think his contract has been renewed.
Woodley just lost his fire, dude, when he lost to Usman. I don't know. I mean, after that fight, it's just...
Woodley's done,
Woodley's done, dude. He's just on a downhill.
Yes.
Maybe out of his prime now.
Yes, he's been finished in his last 3 fights. I don't see
Usman, Burns,
him coming back.
Woodley. Bro, no, 4 fights, man. Usman, Woodley, Covington, Luke. Vincente Luke also. Fuck.
Yes.
Round 1.
Luke beat him by submission. Yes.
Fuck.
Yes.
Crazy.
Let's not forget about another fight we need to keep an eye on is Edwards versus Diaz. A very important fight.
263 is it?
Yes, it is to UFC 263. And also another important fight we need to keep a watch on is Burns versus Thompson in the welterweight division I'm talking about. Things might shake up here with these 3 fights. Also breaking news, yes. Adesanya versus Marvin Vettori 2 for the middleweight championship. Again, something to look forward to. One of Adesanya's closest fights. He won by split decision, but it was very close. Something to look forward to. Maybe it can turn out different this time. Vettori is also on a 4-fight win streak.
More closer fight was Adesanya versus Gastelum. I feel.
Yeah, but he won by unanimous decision. So Adesanya unanimous जीता ना. ठीक है, I could give him 3 rounds to 2, but here वो तो crazy था सवाल. Vettori is 17-4. His only loss in the UFC is to Adesanya, I think. Let me just confirm that. Yes. No, actually he's lost to Antonio Carlos Jr. via decision. Never been finished. Marvin Vettori. He's on a 5-fight win streak right now.
Yeah.
He's beaten two
Pereira,
contenders, Jack
Sanchez,
Hermanson and Holland.
Holland. Yeah. भाई ले लिया है बे, अप्रैल 10 को बेंचो हॉलैंड के साथ फाइट करके अभी फाइट ले लिया उसने वापस फटफट।
उसको चाहिए भाई टाइटल।
सितंबर में होने वाला नहीं कि अगस्त में होगा ये।
जून में
डायरेक्ट एक ट्रेनिंग कैंप छोड़ के डायरेक्ट दूसरे ट्रेनिंग कैंप उसके लिए।
यार मेरे को टिल वेटोरी देखना था, टिल वेटोरी होने वाला था, टिल इंजर्ड हो गया। आई रियली वांट टू सी डैरेन टिल बट ही नीड्स टू गेट हिज विंस because
Darren Till
he's
has to come back now.
I want to see him at middleweight. He's already won against Gastelum, but he has pulled out twice due to injury. So let's see what Darren Till can do in his next fight.
So Gastelum के साथ जीता है bro. He has to come back to winning ways. Hermanson Whiteman Hall विनर को भी दे सकता है बेटिल या Hermanson Till. Hermanson Till makes more sense. वो शाबाजियान का किसके साथ था फाइट? एक देखा था ना आपने, एडमंड शाबाजियान गैस्टेलम
ब्रंसन के साथ था। ब्रंसन के साथ था। By the way, Shabazian and Hermanson are booked to fight
against each other.
Yes,
Shabazian, Hermanson.
Scheduled to face Edmund Shabazian at UFC 262. So yeah, we have some fights, we have some contenders.
Yeah, looks good man. Middleweight चल रहा है, build हो रहा है मस्त. I think
middleweight.
मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि ब्रो अभी के पर मिडिलवेट में नहीं है रे कोई एडेसानिया को लेने. I think एडेसानिया इवेंचुअली शिफ्ट हो जाएगा लाइट हेवीवेट शायद, और फिर तभी खाली होएगा मिडिलवेट टाइटल.
I want to see Whittaker Adesanya rematch because Whittaker is on a 3-fight win streak and he has dominated 3 top fighters in middleweight. So
I mean
anyway,
once
Dana
वेटोरी एक बार वेटोरी को हरा दिया तो हो गया ब्रो, फिर विटेकर ही है उसके बाद और कोई नहीं, अनलेस टिल ब्रंसन ये लोग कोई ऊपर आएगा रैंक्स में. आई डोंट थिंक और कोई है कंटेंडर उसको भी नेक्स्ट. विटेकर इज द राइट चॉइस.
Yes, absolutely. Dana ने बोल दिया already. After Vettori, it's Whittaker. So Whittaker gets the winner, gets a shot at the title. By the way, he was supposed to fight Paulo Costa, but he fought Gastelum. Gastelum was a replacement. So really wanted to see Whittaker Costa.
Yeah.
Let's see. Darren Till can fight Brunson or Costa next. Maybe.
Yeah.
So
Brunson. Yeah, I think Brunson. I don't know. I think Hermanson Till is the logical fight to make.
Yeah, but Hermanson is already booked.
Booked. That's one. Yeah, so I think
Till should.
Uriah Hall Whiteman winner को Till देना चाहिए बे. Derek Brunson maybe, Derek Brunson भी दे सकता है.
वो भी हो सकता है, but
Jared Cannonier तो हो गया है.
Till was also scheduled to fight Cannonier. The fight didn't materialize, so that fight can be possible. I think logical step here is Darren Till versus Derek Brunson, but Brunson wants Costa next. He's been calling out Costa, but yeah, I think he will take the fight against Till. That is a good fight for him. If he wins that, maybe he gets a shot again because Till is a high-profile opponent.
True. Yeah, dude. I mean, it can be good for Till also. If he beats Brunson, he might get a shot at Costa or Vettori for that matter. So, who knows?
Yes, Till is always there, but he needs to get his wins now. He's lost 3 of his last 4.
इसलिए मेरे को लग रहा है उसको नेक्स्ट उसके नीचे रैंक वाले फाइटर्स ही मिलेंगे उसको नेक्स्ट. क्या गैस्टेलम को हरा है जो नंबर 8 है, उसके बाद तो देखेगा तो वाइटमैन हॉली है और फिर हरमानसन है, पर हरमानसन शाबाजियान बुक है, वो दोनों 7th और 10th है. I don't know.
but the
Kevin
way he
Holland
looked,
हार गया.
विटेकर के साथ जैसा वो फाइट किया ना, वो फाइट
हम्म,
देख के मैं बोल दिया कि टिल टॉप 5 है भैया टॉप 5.
हम्म,
उसको टॉप फाइट ही देना चाहिए क्योंकि वो विटेकर को क्या टफ दिया है
हम्म,
मिडिल वेट में. तो आई थिंक टिल ब्रंसन बेस्ट फाइट है. या तो जब तक कॉस्टा आएगा, कॉस्टा इंजर्ड है,
हम्म,
ब्रंसन टिल में से जो भी जीतेगा he should probably get the next shot.
yeah.
क्योंकि इधर कैननियर भी, I don't know what कैननियर is doing. He lost against Whitaker last, hasn't fought since then.
हाँ भाई, मेरे को भी लग रहा है अभी नेक्स्ट मतलब विटेकर एडेसानिया के बाद कॉस्टा, अगर विटेकर जीत गया तो कॉस्टा दे देगा वो लोग उसको फाइट, या एडेसानिया रीमैच होएगा. बट आई डोंट थिंक क्या होएगा, पता नहीं. दैट फाइट विल बी अमेजिंग. विटेकर एडेसानिया अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है.
Second fight will be different, I believe. But let's see how Adesanya comes back after a loss. We haven't seen him come back after a loss. Maybe we'll see how he performs against Vettori.
Yeah, I mean, sort of. I feel Blachowicz fight kind of showed a blueprint to beat Adesanya in some sense.
Yes, and Vettori has been has had a lot of takedowns in his last two fights. He's been able to take down Hermansson. He easily took down Holland. So I think he will come for a takedown. He will try to wrestle Vettori. So let's see how Adesanya reacts. Yeah. He was also taken down by Blachowicz, although size mattered there. That was light heavyweight. This is his natural weight.
Yeah.
This will be a good fight. Let's see. It's a test for Adesanya. Let's see how he comes back. And also, we'll see if Marvin Vettori is the real deal. Well, he is definitely the real deal, but let's see if he's championship level. Now let's talk about the women's fight, man. We have big fights.
Yeah, dude.
Andrade versus Shevchenko.
Andrade versus Shevchenko.
For the flyweight title, Shevchenko is just beating the shit out of everyone in her last three. And Andrade is coming up from strawweight.
Yeah, to flyweight.
She won against. Let's see who she beat in her last two fights.
Namajunas ko hai na. She lost against Zhang.
She was knocked out by Zhang.
Bro, Namajunas Andrade fight, man. Fuck. वो ending क्या था? तू देखा वो fight?
हाँ बे, slam किया ना.
क्या slam था वो भाई. Namajunas ने हक दिया actually. Slam prevent कर सकता था. But वो crazy slam था भाई. Fuck.
टेक्निकली शेवचेंको बहुत मस्त है, बट अंड्राड के पास पावर है, बहुत पावर है उसके पास.
बहुत पावर है.
And but you can't just land on Shevchenko. She's very technical. So let's see, it's Andrade's power versus Shevchenko's overall
technical
fight IQ.
Yeah.
Shevchenko, by the way, is on a 6-fight win streak, 7-fight win streak. No, 6-fight win streak. Well, there's nobody for Shevchenko actually in the flyweight division.
No wonder Andrade had to come up.
We are already talking, Dana, everyone's already talking about Shevchenko fighting Zhang. That should be a super fight.
Yeah. वो प्रेशर में भी हो रहा था ना वो. अच्छा.
But yeah, everybody also wants to see Nunes versus Shevchenko 3. Nunes is the only fighter to beat Shevchenko twice.
Shevchenko, yeah.
Both of those fights were very close. It was for the bantamweight championship, I believe, or bantamweight, or for which. Yeah, it was for the bantamweight championship. Correct.
Amanda Nunes, UFC 196.
Yep, 196 and 215.
Mad,
Both
man.
these both दोनों decision था.
Unanimous.
And the second fight was really close. The second fight was very controversial. Some of them
Yeah.
thought Shevchenko won the fight.
Split
Shevchenko
decision
thought
था.
she won the fight. She was not happy. Yes.
हाँ बे, split decision क्या बोल सकते हैं अभी?
That's
उसके
why
बाद
they
सिर्फ
say
जीता
never
है
leave
बे
it to the
उसने.
judges.
मेरे को लग रहा है 100 जीत जाएगी ब्रो. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है.
हाँ क्या? अच्छा फाइट है ये, अच्छा फाइट है.
फाइट क्रेजी रहेगा वही.
लेट्स सी. 100 का पावर है, बट वो लैंड करती है क्या पता नहीं.
वही है बे.
But I think Shevchenko gets it done as usual.
As usual. Let's see.
Bullet Valentina Shevchenko. And going forward to the Namajunas versus Billy Zhang fight.
Billy Zhang,
What do you think,
bro?
Apu?
Billy Zhang, dude. I mean, no fucking. Currently, no one to beat her, dude. That's what I feel.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Especially
It
after
really
the
is.
Jurgic fight, dude. Like fan for life. Fan for life. After the Jurgic fight.
Actually, I became a fan after the Andrade fight. The way she knocked her out in 19 seconds. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Yeah, dude.
I believe Weili Zhang is a better striker than Namajunas. Namajunas has a lot of submissions. But she's not the one to go for a takedown. She is usually willing to stand and bang. So this is going to be a striking battle. But yeah, I think it will go to the ground as well. Not to forget, Weili Zhang also has a lot of submission victories.
Yeah. I don't think Rose will take it to striking, dude, against Weili Zhang. I mean, especially the way, Zhang strikes is just fucking amazing, dude. And I think Rose will take this to the ground. That's the logical way to go about it. She still has a better chance over there than standing, striking, and extending strikings with Zhang Weili. So I feel this is going to be like a very technical fight, I feel. Very technical fight. Not as fast as
this will be very technical.
It's not going to be like that strike fest it had with Joanna Jurgic. It's going to be kind
we
of
will see some ground. Something on the ground. Yes, I do believe. Yes. Because Joanna is not the one to go for a takedown.
Yeah.
Let's see, man. We haven't seen Weili being taken down. I don't know. She has not fought tough.
Yeah. I don't know, man.
She has. But
see, that's the thing about Andra, dude. The thing that makes her stand out is that power. You don't get to see that kind of. I'm not talking about striking power. Just like the core strength and stuff that normally we see in women's fights and all. But yeah, that's why Andrade is so unique. You don't see that kind of a power, dude. Yeah, dude.
Only, Nunes and Cyborg have that kind of power.
Yeah, true.
Interesting
Cyborg
fight.
इधर चली गई ना अभी Bellator.
Yes.
क्या है पता नहीं ब्रो. आज उसका अच्छा खासा स्ट्रीक था. एक फाइट हारा तो चल दिया भाई.
अरे वो उसका और डेना वाइट का जवानी का कुछ सीन था. एंड अभी वो बोलती है कि सबको बेलेटर आने को, इधर सबको बहुत पैसा मिलता है.
वो तो है. बट नहीं रे,
डेना
बट कंपटीशन तो यूएफसी में ही है रे. मतलब तू बेलेटर में क्या कर लेगा. बेलेटर का जो चैंपियन है वो इधर के क्या बोलेगा, रैंक 5 रैंक 6 जितना एक्चुअली रहेगा उसका वो स्किल. मेरे को तो ऐसे ही लगता है.
No, bro, not necessarily. They have good
हाँ
fighters at
मतलब
Bellator. For example,
हम्म,
Michael Chandler's last loss was against Patricio Pitbull for the
हम्म,
lightweight championship, where
championship.
Patricio Pitbull was coming up from featherweight and he knocked
हम्म,
him out. So,
okay.
and he's the current double champ of Bellator, lightweight and featherweight, Patricio
हम्म,
Pitbull.
pitbull देखा देखा. But bro, Michael
So,
Chandler, I don't know, man. I feel it's kind of overrated right now. I know
hmm,
he's got the experience and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. One fight into the UFC, you give him a title shot. I don't know.
hmm, that is
Or
surprising for
lightweight,
me as well.
bro.
No, I didn't.
Lightweight,
Nobody
bro.
expected that.
हाँ
Nobody
बे, and
expected that fight to get booked. But somewhere Poirier was given the lightweight fight against Oliveira. He didn't take it. He went for the money fight, the red panty night.
bro, then Gaethje versus Oliveira makes more sense, man. I don't know. भाई माइकल चैंडलर को क्या है man? इतना जल्दी और लाइटवेट
Hmm.
स्टैक्ड है ब्रो. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई नहीं है डिवीजन में तो तू इसको दे रहा है. स्टैक्ड है. कितना पब्लिक है भाई इसमें.
See, ideally, Poirier Oliveira should have been booked for the lightweight title, and Gaethje versus Chandler
Gaethje
should have
Chandler,
been
yeah.
booked with the winner to face the winner of these two. But yeah, somewhere Conor McGregor came in and he changed the whole game. So, and Poirier took that fight. Smart move for Poirier. He can make a lot of money. Good for him if he beats
Yeah.
McGregor again. His stock
Again.
rises. He doesn't care about the title now, clearly. And
Yeah, dude.
see, I still
think
Chandler has a good chance of winning the fight against Oliveira.
Oliveira.
I mean, yes, I think he would be favorite in that fight.
मेरे को लग रहा है गेचे रुका है भाई. जो चैंपियन बनेगा उसके साथ ही लड़ेगा डायरेक्ट जाके.
Yes, yes, yes. Dana already बोल चुका है कि Gaethje is there. He's in there. We have something for him. He's in there. It's not like he's been thrown away. He's there. Definitely
वो
for sure he's there.
हारा है तो भी खबीब से हारा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि बलते से हारा है.
Also, Gaethje versus Poirier 2 would also be a good fight. Something I would like to watch in the future again. That rematch.
Yeah. But I think Poirier is fixed on McGregor for now. July
10th. Yeah, so we'll get the winner.
मतलब make
we'll
sense.
देखो
देख पोरियर को एक तो 3 फाइट सीरीज खत्म हो जाएगा मैकग्रेगर के साथ. फाइनल ऐसा पता चल जाएगा कि who is the better fighter. And to be a better fighter than Conor McGregor, I mean, being known that as publicly is obviously a very rewarding thing for Poirier. I mean, it would do wonders for his career, I believe. And yeah, man, I think when the time's right, he would go for the title. The big money fight.
Let's see, man. I mean, I think Poirier is playing it very risky. Of course, he can make a lot of money, but you can't just give away a title shot.
But ठीक है, bro. You too number one.
What if he loses? What if he loses? It will bite him back, and McGregor straight away gets that shot. समझ रहा है क्या? McGregor doesn't need to fight everybody.
McGregor
gets that shot. And अभी तू बोल नहीं सकता, bro. I mean, McGregor आएगा और he'll just knock him out in the first round and just go.
कुछ भी हो सकता है अभी.
हाँ.
Third fight.
You don't know. You don't know. You just can't lean towards. I just can't.
हाँ बे. Poirier को हाँ बे. I don't know, man. Tough choice है. पर अगर निकल गया बाहर जीत के तो भाई फिर तो बन गया उसका करियर. समझ ले.
फिर तो पैसे ही पैसे.
6-7 मिलियन लेगा फिर वो बेंचो हर फाइट के लिए. टाइटल फाइट लड़ेगा फिर. Talking about
by the way,
Tony Ferguson
did you
versus
just
Darius.
Yes, then Benail Darius, that is a good fight.
That is going to be some crazy fight. I just
Epic
hope Ferguson makes it to the fight.
Ferguson will make it to the fight, man.
Hopefully. Let's see.
And people need to know about this guy, Benail Darius. He's 20-4 and very underrated fighter. has some incredible knockouts. Go check him out. He has some
Darius, yeah,
incredible
bro.
knockouts, some highlight reels. This guy has some highlight reels, by the
Highlight
way.
reels. True, true,
Yeah.
true. Darius crazy, hai bhai, crazy. I
And
just
nobody wants to fight him. Nobody in the lightweight division wants to fight him because it's risky for them. But there's only one man, Tony, the OG gangster. He will fight anybody anytime. So
Tuki,
let's see. Good
Tuki.
fight for Dariush. For Tony, I think he needs to definitely win this fight. It's a must-win fight for him.
Yeah, dude. Absolutely.
Opportunity for Dariush to rise up.
Darius to rise up. Yeah, dude. I think a lot's at stake in this fight for both of them.
Yes, true.
Ferguson has to win, especially after Gaethje and everything. Yeah, I feel. I don't know, man. If Tony claims to be the guy who has never given the actual title shot, fucking get some wins, bro. That's what I feel.
Tony's been unlucky, man.
Yeah,
Firstly,
man.
because he lost against Gaethje. That was sad to watch. Honestly, for every fight fan.
Oliveira के साथ भी हार गया.
And then Oliveira was too good for him. By the way, props to Oliveira. He absolutely dominated Tony on the ground also.
Yeah.
On the feet as well. So, but yeah, Tony almost got finished.
Oliveira, Poirier, yeah, man, all should have been made. Dude, I don't know. Michael Chandler, I just hate that guy, dude. Currently, I don't know. ऐसा क्या है वेंचर? एक फाइट पे क्या टाइटल दे रहा है उसको? मैं वो सोच के फ्राई हो रहा है.
भाई डैन हुकर को हराया उसने भाई नॉकआउट. हुकर को ऐसा कोई नॉकआउट नहीं किया है. बारबोजा ने किया है, बट ऐसा नॉकआउट किसने किया भी ऐसा आके खतरनाक डेब्यू था. ठीक है, वन ऑफ रह सकता है, फ्लूक था, बट हाँ मेरे को गेची चैंडलर देखने का था. Oliveira, Poirier. Anyway, good for Oliveira.
Yeah, dude.
Finally gets a shot. By the way, he has a record for most submissions in the lightweight division. Yes.
Easy way.
14 or 15 submission wins in the UFC.
Crazy.
He has 19 wins by submission.
True. So, guys, that is it. That's what we think is going to happen as UFC 261, and maybe we're going to see some fights in the future. That's going to be amazing. So, yeah, 3 title fights tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m. Tune in. It's going to be fun. And we're going to be back again tomorrow with a post-fight analysis of all these fights that we just predicted and talked about. So, keep on tuning in and have fun. Swing and bang. Here we go.
Swing and bang, baby. See you guys.
Swing
Thank you,
and bang.
Appu. Thank
See
you
you
for
guys.
having me on this podcast.
Oh, bro, it's okay, bro. Come on. Fuck, itna
What a
fake
great